You have received your ART kit. This video will teach you how to use the kit and submit your results to your bus office. Your ART kit will have the following items: swab stick, sample element tube, and test cassette. Step 1. Ensure you have a clean environment and sanitize your hands. Step 2. Open the sterilized swab in the package itself and insert the swab about 2 cm into both nostrils and rotate 5 times each. Step 3. After removing the white cap from the elution tube, insert the swab into it. Step 4. Roll the swab 10 times and keep it at the bottom of the tube. While rolling the swab, gently squeeze the tube to mix the liquid with the swab. Step 5. After removing the swab stick, press the nozzle cap tightly onto the tube bag. Step 6. Open the test cassette package. And add 4 drops of the liquid into the sample well. Wait for the color band to appear and wait 10 minutes for the results. After 10 minutes, if only the control line appears, it means negative. But if 2 lines appear in both C line and T line, means it's positive. Even if the T line is faint, it should be counted as positive. If you tested positive but have no symptoms, you should immediately isolate yourself in a separate room from your family members. Test again with the ART kit in 72 hours. However, if you are 80 years old and above, or you are tested positive and have symptoms, go to your nearest clinic for further PCR test. Take a photo of the results with your name, date and bus number and send it to the person in charge. Remember to dispose all your test materials properly. Thank you and stay safe.